What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dad Bod Garage. Just wanted to do an unboxing video today. I got a few parts for the turbo car. The first one is this painless wiring relay harness for the fuel pump. As you can see, you can already see through it, so I'll still do an unboxing and pull everything out and show it. But also got, I believe these are my motor mounts from Condor Speed Shop. Fairly cheap. I think they're about 125 bucks, close to like 140 shipped. But heard good things about these as far as the fit and finish, vehicle harshness, everything like that. They work really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get opening these. So we'll start with these ones actually. So already. Sticker, that's always a plus. Koozie, cool. So you drink it out in the garage and you're wrenching and everything. You can get all kinds of drunk and sloppy. Sheet, little card telling you the engine mount, installation procedure, and the torque values for the motor mounts. You have the actual physical mounts themselves, which I believe they're Delrin. They just say they're solid on the website, but they look like a white Delrin. And then just a little ad for their stuff in here, so you can check out their website, see all their other stuff they have. But so go ahead and open these mounts up. The transmission mounts look pretty basic. They're just, what you would expect for a transmission mount. That's just circular. Really just a cylinder with a through bolt. So that goes into the trans cross member. You can't really see it on camera too well, but it's basically just, it looks like they might have done it on a lathe, but not too bad. A lot better design than the stock ones. The stock ones are molded rubber and they're kind of, they're decent for stock parts, but they're kind of cheap feeling. But they come with a sticker on here. Might take that off. I'm not sure yet. But as far as the motor mounts, these open. I was told that they have this plate on top, which looks really nice, but it is removable, and the mounts will function exactly the same. They're kind of a beauty cover. It looks like, so when they manufacture them, they countersink the bolt right there, which is why they cover it. I wish I could use these on both sides, but the whole reason I ordered these ones is because they have this removable, and with the turbo in the car, the turbo with the stock mounts hits the hood, and with these it might give me a little more clearance. Because they're supposedly stock height with these plates on here, but with the plate removed, that's probably about 3 to 5 millimeters thick without measuring it. So that should give me enough room to hopefully not hit the hood as bad, or not any worse than it already has, because it's dimpled the hood already. So the motor mounts look really good. I'm making another video installing those pretty soon here, but I just wanted to do an unboxing because I haven't seen it very many of the unboxing for the Condor stuff. It actually looks like it's really good quality though. They got the locating pins like you see on the factory mounts, as well as the offset bolt and everything, which, like I said, you can see when you take this cap off. But for an aftermarket motor mount, looks pretty good quality, especially for the price and compared to the other motor mounts you'll see on the market. So yeah, those look pretty good. Let's move on to the Painless accessories, or Painless wiring accessories. There's the part number. And like I said, I will be doing an install video in the next couple days with this. Just getting the car prepped for that to go in again. So it says it comes with 10 feet of wiring for, I believe, from the old fuel pump wiring or new circuit, whatever. And it has 15 feet, or it could have them backwards. It might be 15 feet coming from the old source and then 10 feet going back to the pump, which would make a little more sense. But it's nice. If you guys have ever had Painless Performance stuff, it is all labeled. You can kind of see stuff there. It tells you exactly where they go according to how they want you to wire it according to their instructions. So I've used these on a buddy's car before, and it was extremely easy to install. Comes with all the butt connectors. This one has a circuit breaker, which I'm not sure if I'll use. I might use a actual 30 amp fuse instead. That's what this breaker is rated as, a 30 amp. Comes with all little ring terminals and stuff if you want to use those, as well as some self-tapping screws. So you can put this guy right here, you can put it anywhere. There's a flat surface to mount that as close to the battery as possible. And then the relay I'll take out of here. See how it feels. I'm pretty sure it's just no, it's actually made for Painless. I thought it might have been a rebranded one. It is made in China, but worst case scenario, I'll just go get another one at the store. But comes with a nice, their own, if it'll focus. Nope, hold on, let's see. Well, either way, it says Painless on there. It gives all the part numbers, inputs and outputs. So yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, so stay tuned. There will be a video coming in the next couple days installing at least, well, both of them really. These will probably be on the engine install video, and then I'll probably have a separate video for installing this along with that new Walbro 485 pump that I had in my last video. So again, so there's the part number in case you missed it the first time, or you can just rewind it, but pretty good quality stuff otherwise. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like to subscribe, and we will see you next time.